The Acu-Rite MillPwr G2 is a PC-based 3-axis control. This easy-to-use conversational CNC is equipped with 1.4 GHz of processor and 2 GB of onboard memory. This comes with one USB port in the front, and in the rear, you'll see another USB port as well as other networking and accessory ports. It comes with a large 12.1-inch high-resolution display with 3D graphics. Underneath it are 8 keys that let the user interact with on-screen menus, and right next to it is another set of buttons to navigate through the rest of the control. At the bottom, you'll find a feed rate override switch rating from 0 to 150 with a potentiometer. The MillPwr G2 is intended for knee mills and small bed mills. The machine can still be used manually by using the handle and turning it by hand. It also has a power feed mode where the machine can be moved under power, left, right, and out, up or down, continually or by steps of 100,000s, 10,000s, or 1,000s. This is a conversational control which is intended to be very easy to use while still being powerful. The DRO program button allows you to toggle between DRO and program screens. If we go into the program screen, the screen will switch from DRO to program back and forth using this button. And this is how we can clear programs and enter new programs. Programs are primarily made through buttons underneath the screen and the yellow cam buttons. For example, the rectangle button will pull up a menu with pocket, frame, face, and slot. The circle button will pull up a menu with pocket, frame, ring, helical, and slot. And the holes button will pull up 4 different choices of holes: row, frame, array, or circle. For programming random holes and odd shapes, the bottom row of the yellow keys will be used for positional moves, lines, arcs, and blends. Custom pocketing is available through this key with islands and automatic pilot drilling. Repeat, rotate, and mirror image is accessed here. And under other steps, we have functions such as engraving on a line or on an arc, putting comments, and many others. To give you an idea on how the menu looks like, since this is a menu-driven control, we'll pull up a circular pocket. Now, we get a fill-in-the-blank menu screen with help graphics on the right. The graphical guide changes as I move my cursor through the fields. For example, my cursor is asking for X center point. If I drop it down into the Y center point, the graphics change accordingly. Z beginning, Z ending, number of passes in Z, feed rate, radius of pocket, direction, feed rate, finish cut amount, finish feed rate, direction of finishing, as well as the percentage of tool to step over. This gives you an idea on how the MillPwr G2 programs. This control accepts G-code and DXF files.